Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. If you want to get any area of any shape or perimeter of any shape, then you have two options. Firstly, you can just command list, still I enter, and just left click on this, then enter. You will get the area in a square inch and a square feet, and as well as the perimeter. So just individually you can do this area and the perimeter. Now the another option is if you want to get the area of total these 5 objects together. I mean the summation of these 5 objects, the perimeter also as well as the area. So in this case you need to command the region first, the region, select wall, enter, and then again command mesh probe, just select wall, again enter, and you will get this the area for all 5 objects together, the summation of these 5 objects, and the perimeter also the summation of these 5 objects. So if you need just any one or any two or any three, you can get also this by commanding mesh probe. Just command mesh probe. If we need these two, we can just enter. So this is the summation of these two objects. Or if you can want any one by this, you can also command mesh probe. Just click on this, you will get the single area for single objects and perimeter of these objects only. So you can find the area and perimeter by this two method. But always if you want to summation of area or summation of perimeter for multiple objects, then you have to follow the second options always. Thank you.